In this module, we will learn about concept of 5G new radio numerologies, subcarrier spacing and resource block. The picture which we see on the screen is a OFDM waveform, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. These are subcarriers. These are subcarriers. Spacing between the two subcarriers is delta F, known as subcarrier spacing. In 5G new radio, OFDM waveform is used. The subcarrier spacing in 5G is variable, meaning the subcarrier spacing used in 5G may vary. In 4G LTE, the subcarrier spacing used was fixed to 15 kHz. So in 5G, possible subcarrier spacings are 15 kHz, 30 kHz, 60 kHz, 120 kHz, and 240 kHz. Let us understand now the concept of numerology and its relation with the subcarrier spacing. In 3GPP specification, the subcarrier spacing is defined as 2 to the power mu into 15 kHz. Mu here is the numerology. So here comes the concept of numerology. So in case numerology is 0, that means the subcarrier spacing, that is delta F in this picture, will be 15 kHz, because 2 to the power 0 into 15 will be 15 kHz. If numerology is 1, our subcarrier spacing will be 30 kHz, as 2 to the power 1 into 15 is equal to 30. Similarly, for numerology 2, subcarrier spacing, if you calculate, will come as 60 kHz. For numerology 3, it will be 120 kHz. And for numerology 4, it will be 240 kHz. In 3GPP specification, in their release 15 and release 16, a total of 5 numerologies, that is numerology 0 to 4, have been defined. Going forward, they may come out with more numerologies in the subsequent releases. Now let us understand the concept of resource block. We have already understood that subcarrier spacing is dependent on the numerology used, and that is 2 to the power mu into 15 kHz. So using this, we had calculated this table that for various numerology, what will be the subcarrier spacing. So now let us come back to the concept of resource block. So 12 consecutive subcarriers constitute one resource block. That means 1 RB is equal to 12 number of subcarriers, and they are to be consecutive. Let us look at visually. So this picture is of a subcarrier with subcarrier spacing of 15 kHz, that is numerology 0, and let us calculate the bandwidth of resource block. So the resource block is 12 consecutive subcarriers, means 12 into 15 kHz, that is 180 kHz will be bandwidth of the resource block for numerology 0. This picture is a subcarrier with subcarrier spacing of 30 kHz. In this case, the resource block size or bandwidth of resource block will be 12 into 30 kHz. So that means the bandwidth of a resource block for numerology 1, that is subcarrier spacing of 30 kHz, will be 360 kHz. Similarly, we can calculate bandwidth of resource block for other numerologies like numerology 1, numerology 2, 3 and 4. So for numerology 2, that is 60 kHz subcarrier spacing, the RB bandwidth will be 720 kHz. For numerology 3, it will be 1440 kHz, and for numerology 4, it will be 2880 kHz. So what do we see? That in frequency domain, if we go higher in numerology, the bandwidth of RB is doubling as subcarrier spacing is also doubling. That you can see pictorially here. For a better understanding, let us calculate number of subcarriers and resource blocks. Let us assume that an operator is given a channel bandwidth of 100 MHz in any of the band, say N78, that is band in 3.5 GHz. We know that in mid-band, the possible use of subcarrier spacing will be 60 kHz. That is numerology 2. From 3GPP specification, we also know that the operator has to leave certain guard band on both sides of the channel bandwidth. So for example, if this is the total channel bandwidth given 100 MHz, then operator need to leave some part of this channel bandwidth, that is 1370 kHz on both sides. So now we have to calculate how many subcarriers he can drive from the 100 MHz channel bandwidth and how many RBs will be possible. So to do this, we need to calculate first the transmission bandwidth. What is transmission bandwidth? This part is your transmission bandwidth. That means if we subtract guard band from both sides of this 100 MHz, that means 100 MHz minus 1370, again minus 1370. So we'll get the channel bandwidth. And to calculate number of subcarriers, we have to divide the transmission bandwidth by the subcarrier spacing, that is 60 kHz. So we'll get number of subcarriers. And as we know that one RB is 12 subcarriers, 12 consecutive subcarriers. So to calculate number of RB, you have to divide number of subcarriers by 12. So I request all of you to please do this calculation yourself, and I will just be showing the answers on the right side. Okay, just let us look at the answers. So transmission bandwidth will be 19.26 megahertz. So 100 megahertz minus 1.37 minus 1.37, we convert kilohertz into megahertz. So it will be 97.26 megahertz. Now we will divide this by this 60 kilohertz. So you'll get the number of subcarriers as 1621. And if you divide this by 12, you'll get number of RBs. So that is 135. That means an operator will be able to drive 135 RBs out of 100 megahertz channel bandwidth if the operator is using mu is equal to 2, numerology 2, that means subcarrier spacing of 60 kilohertz. Click next on top right menu for proceeding to next module of the course.